Welcome back to Berich. I thought I would expand on the behavioral economics series. Charlie Munger made a famous speech in Harvard where he talked about 25 biases of humans which affects investing and which he has used through his long investment career. So let's go with the bias number one. He talked about the reward and punishment super response bias. If you want to get somebody to do something, you should incentivize them. If you do not want somebody to do something, you disincentivize them. There is nothing more powerful than this of the system of incentives and punishments. Most financial products are missold because of the system of incentives and the punishments. The most classic example is that of a broker. In my days when Madras, when I was 18, about nearly 30 years ago, I used to go with my father to the second line beach road and place an order with a broker called Patterson. So what would happen is there would be a 2 rupee price markup plus a 2.5% commission. So if I bought Reliance for 105, my broker made 4.5% commission on my shares. With a 4.5% margin, the broker could do business and he would not call me every other day asking me whether I was interested in buying and selling stock. So when a broker could take care of his investors, he could also take care of his traders also. So investors were also encouraged and traders were also encouraged. Cut to today, a broker has to compete in online business. There is no open outcry system. There are no margins. In the interest of transparency, everything and everybody knows who is buying what at what price. So every order I punch in has a unique NSE code which tells me at what price my deal was done. So there is no question of a markup for a broker. Gone are the days when a broker could make 2.5% on a trade. Now commissions have come down to 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. So it's a cutthroat competition. What has happened as a result of this system of disincentives? You don't have quality people working in brokerages. The guys whom a retail investor encounters has no idea what a stock is, there is no expertise, there is no quality advice available anywhere in city of Madras at the level of a broker or at the level of a regional manager. All brokers are interested is making sure the retail investor will bring in some money, trade in futures and options, or do day trades, or at best buy stocks, give him margin, give him, that is, if I buy bring in and buy 5 lakhs, ask me to buy for 20 lakhs, fund me 15 lakhs with 18% interest, make money on lend money at 18%, borrow at 9%, make a 9% spread on that interest rate. After 20 days, force me to sell. In such a relationship, there is no question of a broker having a fiduciary responsibility. That is to make sure the client's money is his money. He is always under pressure to pull a fast one on the client to make money. There is always an incentive to make the guy sell. If I buy a stock and 10 days later there's 5 rupees more, I'll get call from a broker saying, this is in profit, why don't you sell? There is no question of long-term holdings. For if I hold a stock for a long term, then the broker makes 0.5%. I buy for 1 lakh and sell for 5 lakhs after 5 years. Your broker makes 0.5% on 1 lakh today and 0.5% on 5 lakhs the next day. Next time when I sell, he makes 3,500 rupees over 5 years. No way it can pay any bills, and the broker has no incentive to service me. This kind of disincentive in lower margins and lower brokerages means high quality advice is not available to brokers. There was a time when high quality advice was available for brokers were making good money. If you disincentivize the broking system in name of transparency, you will not get good quality advice. Retail investors will lose money and there is not going to be much wealth flowing into the system. So there has to be a proper balance between incentives and transparency. I believe India has moved too much in the direction of transparency, and there is no incentive for a knowledgeable person to be in the intermediary business anymore. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. If you want to write comments in the comment section, you may do so. We have given you an email ID and you can respond to us through email. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for supporting Berich.